Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2016 Ford Focus in an SE trim and powered by a 2-liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency and recently detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the trunk, where you have a pretty spacious area considering the size of the vehicle and can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And underneath this flap, you have your spare tire with compartments around for other necessary tools or equipment. And then looking in the back, where you have seating for 3 comfortably, so you can bring along your friends and family. And this vehicle does have a dealer-installed remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 93,952 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information with things such as digital speedometer, trip odometer, fuel economy for said trip, distance to empty, trip timer, and then you can also go into your information for your My Key status and system checks, so any warnings. And then you have settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio. I believe it's radio, Bluetooth, auxiliary, and I believe that is it. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Then moving on from that, you of course have your media controls here, and then your hazards and your climate controls. Very simple, easy to use. You have a USB and 12 volt here, so you can plug something into power charge from there. And then you have your main shifter here, parking brake, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious inside. Does have a another 12 volt, your USB and auxiliary inside, so you can plug something into power charge from there. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.